Hello guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to remove a white background from your picture using Photoshop. So with that being said, let's go ahead and click on here and search for Photoshop and open it. And just so you know, this tutorial will help you in any kind of versions that you are using of this program. For me, I'm using the 2019 version. If you have like the 2022 or the 2014 version, it will still work for you. So just stay focused and keep watching the video so you won't have any problems. Now we need to drag our picture by clicking on file and then clicking on open and then clicking on this image. For example, this guy, we need to cut it out from this background, or we make this picture like without any background. How to do so? First of all, if you have a lock here, just click twice on the picture and click OK. And as you can see, this lock is removed. Now, how do we remove this background from him? Well, the easiest method is just come in here on the eraser tool and then search for the magic eraser tool. From here, we click on the white background and voila, it's removed. But the problem with it, it will remove some pieces of your object or character or whatever it is of the picture if it has a little bit of white in it. How to fix it? There is another tool, which is the quick selection tool. If you come here and click on this one, we select this guy and we try to keep it simple. Okay, now as you can see, it selected only this guy. How to cut it out? Just click right and then click on cut. If you see, now this guy has no background behind him. There is another tool which is kind of hard, and we use it for like things that has multiple details in it, like trees and stuff like that. We can use this. Let's go back. We can use this pen tool. We can let's remove the selection. We can just keep selecting the guy, keeping it until you finish his whole body, and then after selecting it, you will just do the same steps, which is click right and then click on remove or cut layer. So that was with this tutorial today guys. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and see ya in the next tutorial. See ya guys and have a great day.